The outline map. Stay on track in public speaking. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental part of preparing for public speaking and presentations, using your outline to stay on track. Your outline is your secret weapon to ensure you deliver an effective, engaging, and organized speech. Let's find out how. An outline is a skeleton of your presentation. It's where you jot down the main ideas, organize them logically, and identify key points or subpoints under each idea. It gives you a clear structure and direction, helping you remember what to say and when. Your outline should start with an introduction, where you set the stage for your topic and what you're about to cover. This is followed by the body, consisting of all your main ideas and their supporting points. Finally, it ends with the conclusion, summarizing your key points and providing a memorable closing. A good outline isn't just a list, but a visual representation of your speech. You can use bullets, numbers, indentations, or colors to differentiate between main points and subpoints. This will make it easier to glance at your outline and know exactly where you are. The beauty of an outline is that it keeps you on track. No matter how nervous you get, or if you forget what you were about to say, your outline is there to guide you. While giving your presentation, keep your outline handy. It's not a script, so don't read from it verbatim. Rather, use it as a roadmap. You can glance at it from time to time to ensure you're not skipping any points, and to keep your speech flowing naturally from one point to the next. Another effective strategy is to mark your outline as you progress. Tick off points once they are covered. This will give you a sense of progress and further ensure you don't repeat or skip any points. The best way to get comfortable with your outline and make it work for you is to practice. The more familiar you are with the structure of your outline, the more naturally your speech will flow. As you practice, you'll also find spots where you might need to adjust your outline for clarity or effectiveness. Remember, your outline is a living document, open to adjustments to better serve your speech. That's all for today's session. With a well-crafted outline and some practice, you'll become a master at staying on track during your public speaking and presentations. Remember, the outline is your friend, your guide, and your roadmap. So next time you prepare for a speech, make sure to invest some time in creating and using your outline. Thank you for joining, and see you in our next lesson.